Hello. So speedcubing competitions near me only tend to happen like a couple times a year. And I know that my last competition was only like, 6 weeks ago, but I'm having withdrawal symptoms practically. I mean, I need the competition, I need the competitiveness, I need the self-esteem of breaking my PRs. I need So, I've realised there are two ways. That I can have a competition happen, right? Option number one, fill out this form, become a trainee delegate, slowly work my way up the branches of the UKCA, slowly gaining their trust, and then I can host my own competition. I know, it's a brilliant plan, thank you very much, thank you. Oh, sit down guys, you're embarrassing me, seriously, stop. Oh, wait, I need to be 18 to fill out this form. Alright, let's add maybe 8 months till I can get this plan up and running, so I think we should look at option 2. Or, alternatively, option 2, compete in this speedsolving.com weekly online cubing competition. It's a tough decision, I can't lie. But I'm hardly dressed for a competition like this. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm going to do 4x4 first because I have been practicing it a lot, but then again, these are my first stars of the day, so... $53.08, quite a bit locky, but I have been practicing at 4x4 and I think that showed a bit there. 58.999. 999999999. The timer stopped. When did the timer stop? When did I touch the timer? Okay, well I guess that's a DNF somehow. The timer stopped on 50. 57.96. Hey guys, I know you're having a great time watching me try to do some cubing, but I'd like to interrupt this quickly and say, if you want any speed cubing products, go to speedcubing.org. The link is on the screen right now. It'll be in the description. If you want any speed cubing products, anything related like that, any lubes, anything like that, you know, they sell it all. Great prices, great everything, great customer service, and use code KIDS for 5% off your order. Oh my god, I suck so bad. That's kind of not a very good average. I mean, at least it wasn't the first average of the video, because that would be embarrassing, wouldn't it? Alright, 2x3 time. Everyone's favourite event. Nice, good start, come on. Come on, Daniel, get a good average for this. For the YouTube, come on, here we go. Okay, sure. 14.12. Yes, nice. 10.95 on yellow, that's nice. That's safe, I think. Yeah, I'm calling that safe. 13.47. Nice, 12.5. Come on. 12.38, average of 5. Let's go. Nice. Now, those are the only events I've really been practicing as of late. So let's do some 2x2 for the first time in quite a long time. Let's just get straight into it. No practice, no warm-up, nothing. $4.16. I don't even really remember what I averaged, I'm gonna be honest. $4.43. $3.95. 455. No, 490 because it's plus 2. So, did I win the competition? Well, that's not me. Okay, somebody let me know when they see my name. Hang on, wait. I think we're getting there. Oh, there I am. 180 seconds. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.